Too special. You deserve roses, and you know this. You got me like.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna make some slime. So I'm gonna make some clear slime dough. But my last clear slime video, you guys were getting on me. You guys were like, this is not freaking clear glue. This is not clear slime. It's blue. It's not gonna be clear slime unless the detergent is clear too. This is not clear slime. I'm like, I know it's not clear slime. Like, I can see it clearly, but like, it is clear slime because the glue is clear. It's the only thing that's making it not that clear is just because the detergent is blue. It doesn't mean it's not slime. Like, you guys were just getting on me on that video, and that was like 9 months ago. Like, are you crazy? And that was like only the second time I made slime ever in my whole entire life. So of course it's not gonna be that great. And this is about to be like, what, the 6th time I make slime? Like, I got some leftover Elmer's glue, only that much. I'm about to put the whole thing in my mixing bowl right here. I don't have my desk or table. I mean, I have one, but I just don't have like the whole setup I used to have since I moved. But I'm basically going to try a different detergent. It's still blue. The detergent is still blue. So if you guys want to call it clear or not, I call it clear because it's clear slime. So here we go. I'm going to use this detergent and see what happens. It's not going to be that entertaining. Maybe not. I just wanted to make something, you know, slime related because most of my subscribers subscribe to me because I began my channel with slime. So here we're gonna do, I'm just gonna pour the glue in here, you know, mix it all up. You guys probably watch a whole bunch of slime videos. I just need to shut up and stop talking and just do it. Alright, I got Elmer's glue. I'm about to just pour the whole thing because I had it and I never used it, so I'm gonna pour it in here. And my plastic spoon because no one's gonna use a real spoon on slime, right? Okay. Gonna put that in there. I wish I could show you guys better, but I can't. Just gonna have to do it manually. I don't know what type of detergent this is, but I'm just gonna see if it works or not. I dropped the cap. It's okay. I'll get it later. It's under my bed now. Okay. I'm just gonna take this. It's like the sun is like over here and not here. So it's kind of like throwing my camera off. But I'm just gonna pour some in here now because like last time I used Tide detergent. So that's what's different about this. I don't think it's gonna work or not. I don't know. I'm just gonna pour a little. I'm not gonna show you guys. Or maybe I can lower my camera. Ooh. I did that much. You guys can't even see. Okay. Shoot. I don't think nothing happening. Hold on. I wonder if it means like if it doesn't activate, then it's not like real good soap, or if it does activate, it's real good soap. I don't know. That's how it's looking. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. Fail. You know, just failed. So yeah, guys, nothing. it's just straight nothing. It didn't even start building up or anything. So that was a waste. This brand here, take note that it does not work, and you know, just don't buy it. Well, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and comment anything you guys want to see more of me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Oh, instead of clear slime, I made blue goo.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck.